There is a wide range of 5 synthetic motor oil reviews in 2024, each offering unique features. To help you make an informed decision, I have conducted thorough research and analyzed numerous reviews to compile a list. Please check the links in the description. So, without any delay, let's proceed to the video. Number 1. Mobil 1 0W40 Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 stands out for its unmatched quality and reliability. Today we're diving into one of their premier products, Mobil 1 0W40 Synthetic Motor Oil. With decades of innovation behind it, Mobil 1 has become a trusted name for car manufacturers and performance enthusiasts alike. But what makes 0W40 the go-to choice for high-performance engines? First of all, let's talk about synthetic oil. Unlike conventional oils, Mobil 1 0W40 is fully synthetic, engineered to provide superior lubrication under extreme conditions. It flows easily in cold weather, thanks to its 0W rating, while maintaining optimal viscosity even in high-quality temperatures. This Mobil's unique viscosity ensures your engine gets immediate protection during cold starts and strong support when the heat rises. What are the standout benefits? Engine wear reduction. Mobil 1 0W40 creates a protective layer, minimizing friction between moving parts and extending engine life. However, many users report improved fuel efficiency, saving you money in the long run. I saw a huge difference in performance right after switching, and my engine runs smoother than ever. Whether you drive a high-performance car, an SUV, or a light truck, Mobil 1 0W40 is multi-purpose sufficient to meet your needs. Now we will know about user experience. Many users rave about the noticeable improvements in engine performance and fuel efficiency after switching to Mobil 1 0W40. Drivers of high-performance vehicles frequently mention enhanced throttle response and smoother operation. Make the switch to Mobil 1 0W40 and experience the ultimate in engine performance today. Number 2. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 0W40. Engineered with revolutionary Pure Plus technology, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum transforms natural gas into a crystal-clear base oil. This superior base oil, combined with advanced additives, delivers unmatched performance and protection. With reduced friction for smoother operation and improved fuel economy, enhanced wear protection for extended engine life, minimized deposits for a cleaner engine, and superior oxidation resistance to combat harmful damage. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 0W40 is specifically designed to excel in extreme conditions. Left side, a car starting effortlessly in freezing temperatures. Right side, a car racing down a sunlit highway on a hot summer day. From frigid winters that ensure rapid lubrication at startup to scorching summers providing exceptional high-temperature performance, whether you're cruising the city streets or conquering the open road, experience the difference. Choose Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Number 3. Ford Motorcraft Synthetic Blend 5W30. The Ford Genuine XO 5W30 QSP SAE 5W30 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil. Let's find out why this oil is a must-have for your Ford. So, what exactly is Ford Genuine XO 5W30 QSP? This is a high-quality synthetic blend motor oil specially formulated for Ford engines. With a viscosity rating of 5W30, it's versatile enough to perform well in a wide range of temperatures, ensuring your engine stays protected whether it's hot or cold outside. Now let's talk about the benefits. Why should you choose the Ford Genuine XO 5W30 QSP? Here are a few standout features. Using Ford Genuine XO 5W30 QSP is straightforward. Just add the oil to your engine's oil pan according to the manufacturer's recommendations. And remember, regular oil changes and filter replacements are key to keeping your engine in top shape. In conclusion, if you want to give your Ford the care it deserves, Ford Genuine XO 5W30 QSP SAE 5W30 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil is an excellent choice. With its outstanding protection and performance benefits, I highly recommend it for all Ford owners. Make the switch today and experience the difference. Number 4. Valvoline. Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage with Max Life Technology 5W30 Motor Oil. Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage with Max Life Technology SAE 5W30, specifically engineered for vehicles that have seen better days. This is the ideal choice for high-mileage drivers. Let's dive into its key features and benefits. Valvoline's full synthetic high-mileage oil incorporates Max Life technology, designed to protect engines with over 75,000 miles. This advanced formulation exceeds industry standards, providing superior wear protection and preventing engine breakdown. Plus, it offers extra defense against harmful deposits, sludge buildup, corrosion, and rust, ensuring your engine runs smoothly for miles to come. One standout feature: seal conditioners. These additives prevent and treat oil leaks, common in aging engines. By maintaining seal integrity, this oil reduces oil consumption and maximizes engine life, giving you peace of mind during your daily drives. Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage Oil meets or exceeds multiple industry standards, including ILSAC GF6A, API-SP, API-SN with SN+, and API-SN specifications. Proudly made in the USA, Valvoline's commitment to quality is unwavering, formulated with the needs of American drivers in mind. So, who is this oil perfect for? Owners of high-mileage vehicles looking to maintain engine performance. Drivers concerned about engine protection and longevity, wanting to avoid costly repairs. Individuals seeking to improve fuel efficiency and reduce oil consumption. With a viscosity grade of SAE 5W30, this oil is suitable for a wide range of temperatures, ensuring optimal performance in various climates. Available in a convenient 1-quart bottle, it's easy to store and use. You can find Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage Oil at various retailers and online stores, making it accessible for all drivers. In summary, Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage with Max Life Technology SAE 5W30 offers enhanced protection against wear and tear, innovative seal conditioners, and compliance with industry standards. Consider making the switch to Valvoline to ensure optimal engine protection and performance for years to come. Number 5. Shell Rotella T5 Synthetic Blend 15W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella T5B stands out as a top choice for diesel engine care. Let's start with the specs. Shell Rotella T5B comes in a convenient 1-gallon container and features a viscosity grade of 15W40. This means it offers excellent protection across a wide range of temperatures, making it ideal for both freezing winters and sweltering summers. Designed specifically for diesel engines, Shell Rotella T5B is perfect for heavy-duty machinery, commercial vehicles, and light-duty diesel applications. Now let's talk about some of its key features. Synthetic blend formulation. First up, the synthetic blend formulation. It provides superior wear protection, enhancing engine longevity and fuel efficiency by reducing friction. Wear protection. With advanced additives, it minimizes engine wear, helping to extend the lifespan of your components. High temperature performance. And when the going gets tough, Shell Rotella T5B maintains stability and performance under extreme heat. What does this mean for you? Let's break it down. A. Engine cleanliness. It actively reduces deposits and sludge, keeping your engine clean and efficient. Cold start performance. Expect reliable starts even in the coldest weather. No more struggling in the morning. Versatility. Whether you're in a commercial truck, agricultural equipment, or a light-duty diesel vehicle, Shell Rotella T5B has got your back.
Shell Rotella T5B is suitable for various applications, including
Commercial vehicles for heavy-duty use. Agricultural equipment like tractors. Light-duty diesel vehicles for personal use. Rest assured, Shell Rotella T5B meets various API service classifications and is designed to align with many manufacturer specifications. Always check your engine's requirements to ensure compatibility. How do you choose the right oil? Consider your engine's age, your typical driving conditions, and consult with a mechanic for personalized advice. Maintenance tips. Regularly check your oil levels and change your oil according to manufacturer recommendations. Keeping an eye on engine performance is key to avoiding bigger issues down the line. In summary, Shell Rotella T5B is more than just engine oil. It's a commitment to quality, performance, and longevity. By choosing Shell Rotella T5B, you're not just maintaining your engine. You're enhancing its potential for years to come.